Hey guys, welcome back to Tool Bag Tuesday. Today we're going to talk about lighting. So when I say lighting, I'm talking about how do you light up the area where you're trying to work. And I have all kinds of things. What I've found is basic floodlight. These used to have actual flood bulbs in them. Now you can get them with LEDs very inexpensively. This particular one came from Harbor Freight. I bought, I don't know, 2 or 3 of them at once. In fact, I think everything on this table came from Harbor Freight. So this is a nice one. It's got, what, 6 LEDs in it. Uses 2 or 3 AA batteries. Has a magnet. I love this thing for sticking up under the hood. Spotlights what you're trying to work on. It's very easy to move around. It'd be nice if it had a rechargeable battery just for the cost. This, another one, came from Harbor Freight. It has magnets on this end with the changeable arms so you can change the angle. It has 3 lighting. I don't really know why that needs 2. And then it has kind of a spotlight like a flashlight here, which I don't ever use. But you can you can hang it from something like this. It has a hook if you want to hang it a different way. It also has another magnet on the back there, so you can hang it flat under something. I use this one a lot. Don't remember the exact prices. I'm thinking about $6 or $7, maybe $10, $12. The floodlight's about $25, I think. Then there's these 2, and this one the battery's dead in, but it again has the face lights up really well. It's LEDs. Then there's a little spotlight LEDs. Has a magnet on the back. Has the hook to hang it from something. This one's awesome because with the right coupon, it's free at Harbor Freight. This one, real bright little LED flashlight. Again, free at Harbor Freight with the right coupon. So you need some lighting. You need some different kinds of lighting. You need, to be able to light different areas, and you need enough of it to get the job done when you're working. I'm going to show you one more, and that's the light I'm using right now to light this area. I have 2 of these, and I use them for filming, but I also use them when I'm working inside the car. I can kind of put one on each side of the car and shine into the car, and it really lights up the interior of the car. So let me turn the camera. You can see this light here, and it's mounted on a tripod. Shines, and I have, like I said, I have 2 of them. It's mounted on a tripod. Really bright LED. Now that light runs off of AC, or it can be run off of rechargeable batteries. So depending on where I'm working, it gets different power source. But that's it. Power, or that's it. Get you some flashlights or some magnetic lights, spotlights. Light your area up. Make it easier for work. Just having different options has made a world of difference in how frustrated I get when I'm working in dark areas, under the dash, inside the engine compartment, in the trunk, and you just can't quite see everything you need to see. That's it. Tool Bag Tuesday. We'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.